Imagine waking up to money flowing into your bank account without lifting a finger. What if I told you that you hold the key to generating passive income and unlocking the doors to financial freedom? Today, we're diving into a world of ingenious passive income ideas that have the potential to turn your financial dreams into reality. Get ready to discover the pathways to easy money. Hello, financial adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey that's all about passive income, the secret sauce to building wealth while you sleep. Though you won't see my face, my voice will guide you through a treasure trove of passive income ideas that are waiting to be explored. So without further ado, let's dive into the realm of financial independence. Segment 1. The Power of Dividend Stocks. Let's kick off our journey with the first stream of easy money, the power of dividend stocks. Imagine owning a piece of a company and receiving a portion of its profits as dividends. Dividend stocks are a classic example of generating passive income from your investments. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to enjoy both potential capital appreciation and regular dividend payments. These payments can provide you with a consistent source of income that grows over time. By reinvesting your dividends, you can also harness the magic of compounding, which has the potential to turn modest investments into substantial wealth. Dividend stocks are favored by investors seeking stable income streams, especially during market fluctuations. However, it's essential to research companies thoroughly, considering factors like dividend history, financial stability, and growth potential. Segment 2. Building a rental property empire. As we venture deeper, let's explore the second pathway to passive income, building a rental property empire. Imagine owning real estate properties that generate monthly rental income, creating a steady cash flow stream. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative venture as you earn rental income while potentially benefiting from property value appreciation over time. Whether it's residential properties, commercial spaces, or vacation rentals, the key is to select properties in desirable locations with strong rental demand. However, being a landlord requires careful management, from property maintenance to tenant interactions. Outsourcing property management can ease the workload, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of passive income without the hassle of day-to-day operations. Segment 3. Embracing the world of affiliate marketing. Now, let's explore the third avenue to easy money, embracing the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine earning a commission by promoting products or services and directing customers to make purchases. Affiliate marketing is a digital-age passive income idea that's gained significant traction. By partnering with companies or platforms, you can promote their products or services through your website, blog, social media, or other online channels. Each time a customer makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its scalability and flexibility. You can start with a small audience and gradually expand your reach. However, building trust with your audience is essential. Authenticity and transparency in your recommendations are key to long-term success in this field. Segment 4. Crafting and selling digital products. As we delve into creative endeavors, let's explore the fourth avenue to passive income, crafting and selling digital products. Imagine turning your skills and expertise into digital products that can be sold repeatedly, creating a stream of income. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, photographer, or programmer, you can monetize your talents by creating digital products. Ebooks, online courses, design templates, stock photos, and software applications are just a few examples of what you can offer. Once created, these products can be sold on various online platforms, allowing you to earn money with each sale. The initial effort in creating these products is significant, but once they're available for purchase, you can continue to generate income without ongoing involvement. Plus, as your portfolio grows, so does your potential for earning passive income. Segment 5. Diving into peer-to-peer lending. Now let's plunge into the world of lending as we explore the fifth avenue to easy money, peer-to-peer lending. Imagine acting as a lender, providing loans to individuals or small businesses, and earning interest on your investments. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders, offering an alternative to traditional financial institutions. As a lender, you can allocate your funds to a diverse range of loans, earning interest on your investments. The risk and return potential vary based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the type of loan. This approach allows you to diversify your investment portfolio beyond stocks and real estate. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved before committing your funds. Segment 6. Unleashing the potential of royalties. As we explore new horizons, let's unleash the potential of royalties, the sixth avenue to passive income. Imagine creating intellectual property like books, music, or artwork and earning royalties each time it's used or sold. Royalties are payments made to the creators of intellectual property for the use of their work. If you're a writer, your books can generate royalties from sales. Musicians can earn royalties from streaming platforms, and artists can receive payments when their artwork is licensed or sold. While creating the initial intellectual property requires effort and talent, the beauty lies in its ongoing earning potential. The more your work is consumed or utilized, the more royalties you can earn over time. Platforms and agencies can help you manage the licensing and distribution of your work, allowing you to focus on your creative endeavors. Segment 7. Automating Earnings with Dividend ETFs. As we near the conclusion of our journey, let's explore the seventh avenue to passive income: automating earnings with dividend exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Imagine investing in a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks through an ETF, reaping the rewards of income without the need for constant management. Dividend ETFs pool funds from investors and invest in a diversified basket of dividend-paying stocks. By investing in these funds, you gain exposure to a range of companies and sectors without the need to individually select and manage stocks. This approach provides diversification and minimizes the risks associated with holding individual stocks. Dividend ETFs offer a convenient way to earn passive income while benefiting from the potential growth of the stock market. They're particularly suitable for investors seeking exposure to dividends without the time commitment of managing a portfolio of individual stocks. And there you have it, Savvy Wealth Seekers, an exploration of ingenious passive income ideas that have the potential to transform your financial landscape. If you found these ideas inspiring and actionable, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with friends and family who are on the journey to financial independence. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more enlightening content. Remember, the road to financial freedom is paved with diverse income streams and strategic investments. As you explore these avenues, remember that passive income doesn't mean no effort, but rather smart effort that generates wealth even when you're not actively working. Thank you for joining us on this exciting expedition into the realm of passive income. Keep exploring, keep learning, and may your journey lead you to financial success and fulfillment.